Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install YouTube application on Mac operating system, Windows operating system, as well as you can do same process Linux operating system. It's very simple tips and tricks. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply, first of all, you just simply open Chrome browser and enter here YouTube. So this is a YouTube website, and here look at this. The corner arrow and square is available. You just simply click here, and here this is my application of YouTube. If I open here, so now the YouTube application is open here currently on my operating system. You can very easily search here which video you want, play whatever you want. You can minimize this application like this and open this one. This is a different types of browser, and you can search here whatever you want, and application is available here. Even if I click here Launchpad, the YouTube application is also available here. It's very interesting tips and tricks and very simple way to install YouTube application on your Mac operating system, and you can do same process of Windows operating system. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.